Press the power button for a few seconds to power the camera on. Assemble the support for the router in front of the tripod. Take the spiral cable and connect it to the router. Pass the cable through the big circle of the support and place the router on the stand. Connect the hub to the other end of the Ethernet cable with the straight cable. Use the USB-C end to connect with the straight cable. Connect it to the bottom of the camera. Use the Velcro strips to attach the cable to the tripod's legs. Power on the router and enter the SIMS pin. You will have successfully connected the router to the camera once the network icon appears on the screen. Initialize the MXLive app and press Start to begin streaming.